Hey everybody, my name's Rhiana. Long time no see if you were one of the 2 subscribers I had before this. But yeah, we're on quarantine, we're trying to be cute. So I decided to do a little challenge that my friend has going on. If you don't follow her, her name's Zay Bay. Follow her, she's amazing. She has a crazy amount of talent. So she right now has a challenge called the ribbon cut crease challenge, and I try to do it. This is my attempt. It's something. It's definitely not what she did, so definitely check her out so you can see what she did. So if you want a tutorial too, watch hers, because this ain't no damn tutorial. I'll tell that right now. This is not a tutorial. But yeah, if you want to see the struggle and the process of this, just keep watching. Lord give me strength. This may have been the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life, and it don't even look that cute. Like, I just keep justifying that, you know when the look is like trash when you put like lashes on and then it's like not trash? That's what I'm hoping is gonna happen. Let's find out together. Yes, my hair is in doo-doo plaids, but trust, when you get the reveal, like what you just saw, it better be fire. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be fire. It better be fire. Okay, so let's zoom in into my eyes so we can try and I promise you I'm not done yet. Like, ew. Okay, so now we're up close and personal. Oh my god, my skin looks messed up. I'm allergic to my puppy and I have like breakouts from my puppy. Love is love. Am I right, ladies? I followed my girl's tutorial. I watched that video. Goddamn, if the last 20th view she just got were from me, because I was watching that video over and over again to see where I went wrong. First, I'm gonna go in with the ABH primer, and I'm using a Morphe M224 brush. I'm just gonna pat that over the lid. For the first color, I'm going in with the James Charles palette. So I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm literally just gonna pack on this like cobalty navy color up my crease, tap off the excess so you don't know dust flying. And literally, y'all, I'm just gonna be packing this color in the outer corner. So I'm just looking down into my mirror and really getting that shape of my eye. And what I like to do when I'm creating shape with my eye is to really make sure that I'm like checking. I'm like, okay, I like that. Now I'm going in with the purple color, the deep purple color in the James Charles palette. It's my favorite purple to use. Using a Zoeva 231. You just want to make sure the height is good. So how I'm going to bring the height up is really to blend. So I'm using like a unidirectional blend. So I'm kind of starting at the outer corner there and then just kind of flicking it in. So I'm gonna go in with the Masquerade palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna go into that like purpley pinky color called Zobo. But this one again, I'm going to make sure I'm looking at my eye at a nice angle and then start tapping that color on. And then back into James Charles palette with the Morphe M456 brush. And we're gonna go back in, well, we're gonna go into the color Skip. So I learned this technique of cutting the crease from watching the P. Louise little Instagram videos, and they actually use Vaseline, which I thought was mad cool. I'm just gonna use a little Q-tip and have some Vaseline on the Q-tip and then start cutting out my crease. So this is where I would advise you guys to cut higher than what I did, because I feel like mine is okay, but I wish it was a little bit higher so you can see more of that ribbon. So next time I try a ribbon cut crease, I'll definitely make it bigger, but I'm always so reserved. I'm always so worried that it's gonna be too much. But now I'm upset that's not enough, you know what I'm saying? So then once you cut it out, you kind of end up with something like that. The ends look a little bit shiny, but don't worry, that definitely goes away. I'm gonna use the clean side of the Q-tip now and just kind of pick up that extra product. Honestly, I love this Vaseline technique. I don't know why I didn't think of it earlier. Now I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise and Mmmitchell Acid Rain in the color Ibiza. It is such a pretty like lilac color. I'm obsessed with it right now. So I'm gonna use that color to make my ribbon. And I'm also gonna be using their the Acid Rain orange little bent liner brush. And that's kind of the shape you get. I'm pretty impressed with myself because I wasn't really comparing them, which I should have been, but I would say they're pretty even. They're like the same height. When I look straight in my mirror, they look the same, which is bomb. So something's turning out. So I'm gonna go back in with that same Anastasia primer. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe 238 brush. It's a really tiny, it's my favorite brush for cut creases. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with that and recut this crease. So this is where you're able to clean up that ribbon. You're really gonna see that ribbon come to life. Okay, we're almost done. We're gonna go in with the one last palette. I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. It's the one with the little cherries on it. I am using a blue and a pink from this palette. Just like that. So we still looking a little scraggly. But this is essentially the eye. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, do my hair, and I'm gonna come back super up close and personal. It came out okay. I ain't gonna hate on it, but like, it wasn't what I expected. We don't get too close, like, we don't get that close. No, it ain't that cute. But yeah, it's not bad. I can't complain, but I will because I'm working on this for so long and it's not perfect, so I'm upset. But I hope you guys like it. So yeah, guys, this is the look. It's cute or whatever. It caused me a lot of heartache, a lot of stress, but what's the word? We overcame. We made it. We made it. Because it took a lot to get here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to recreate this look yourself, make sure you use the hashtag Ribbon Cut Crease Challenge and tag @itzaybaby on Instagram so she can see your looks. Yeah, if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you liked what you saw, give it a subscribe. And I'll be back soon with some videos because we're on quarantine. Where else am I going? Where? Anyway, y'all, it's been real. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.